This learning point is to try to encourage people to have a little bit more thought for maybe other people and bigger vehicles in particular. If we look up ahead, we've got an arched bridge. Bigger vehicles are going to be coming through in the middle of this bridge. So as I approach, there is enough room to clear the yellow box, but what I actually do is hold back. And that's just enough room for the vehicles that can fit under there to be allowed through in the middle without me obstructing them. But just be aware, if you do this, you may very well be approached from people behind who aren't understanding enough of what you're doing, and they could actually come past you at this point. If they do, so be it. Sit and chuckle to yourself and get on with your day. Another thing that I'd like to address in this learning point is people's incessant need to go and sit really close to the back bumper of the car or vehicle that's in front of them. Being further back like this allows you to see further down the sides and over the top, and you can time your move off to actually keep up with the flow of the traffic, and you will actually make your way through the lights at a better, brisker pace. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. See you all soon.